Okay, so here we have the UpAir One 5.8 gigahertz Broadwave. It has a 4K 24 FPS 12 megapixel camera, a 2-axis gimbal for that camera. On the controller itself, it has a 7-inch screen with a left-handed throttle. It has a max frequency range of 1 kilometers. It can go up to 12 meters per second. Has a 1500 milliamp hour battery. It has automatic return and an automatic balance, and a pinpoint surround. You have about 19 to 24 minutes of flight time.
This was ordered off Banggood. It came from Hong Kong to the US to my address. This is the original box, original tape, in the original condition. We're going to open this up for the first time and see what's inside. So we have the UpAir One box, 4K. So we have a product certification. We have some manuals, instructions, packing list that tells you the breakdown of all the items that are included. Cardboard cover. Oh, looks like we have something broke here. So here's the drone. It's got a foam cover for the camera. This just fell out. Put that back. Here's the remote control with the battery already plugged in. Let me unplug that. I have no idea what this is. Maybe it goes like that. This must be the cover for this. There you go, like new again. This is our 7-inch display. Nice responsive controls. Control battery, 1500 megahertz. Charger, 2 propellers, 2 more propellers. Another power cord in the back of the controller battery cover. And that is it.